I'm happy to share with you what happened in this UNEA6 happening in Nairobi, where about 5,000 people, participants, delegates were present, where the objective of this meeting was to see how we can effectively talk about the environmental challenges, where the theme was effective, inclusive, and sustainable multilateral action for climate change, for biodiversity loss, and for pollution. So we talked about a lot of challenges of climate change, and the delegates were very active to see how they can work together to mitigate climate change effect and to see how we can work together. The recommendation was mainly linked to the resolutions of the meeting. Like I was saying, the resolution was 15 resolution, where we want to see how the metals, the resources, the chemicals have to be mitigated, and also how we will manage the water we have, the scarcity of water, and how we will improve the lifestyle of people on the world. This UNEA6 is very important because the resolution will guide the 2 years action for the world, the global world, where those climate change effect, those biodiversity loss, and the other effect of environment will be mitigated. As we know, the UNEA6 happen every 2 years, and it is very good that after meeting, people has time to go to implement what they learned from the meeting.
To give us the right to a safe and healthy environment. Thank you.
Let me take this opportunity to thank UNEA program, UNEA School Network Association, who sent me in this UNEA, and I'm also thankful to all member states who organized the UNEA and participated in UNEA, because this resolution will going to guide us not only in Rwanda but also in Africa, and will also help our ground people from the community to mitigate those climate change, and to also make sure that they are managing their few resources they have. So it is a privilege to attend, and I will be happy to see that resolution from the meeting will be implemented and will be achieved successfully.